Here's a little Monday motivation to get you going and help you have a calmer, easier week. Let's go deep clean our bathrooms. I always start with the mirrors in the bathroom because I like to try to clean a room top to bottom. So, mirrors would be the most logical thing to start with in my brain. So, I start with the mirrors and then I work on down to the countertops. So I like to take everything off the countertop and give it a good wipe down. This bathroom, this is our bathroom that's connected to our primary bedroom. It gets so dusty, and I think it's because there is a window in this bathroom. My son's bathroom slash guest bathroom, there's no window, so it doesn't get as dusty. So I usually clean like our bathrooms on Mondays. I don't know, Mondays feel like a great day for bathrooms. That way they're like reset, restocked, ready to go for the week. So yeah, I like to do our bathrooms on Mondays. I also like to take a Clorox wipe and, wipe down the faucets just because people are touching those after they go to the bathroom. And then I also wipe down the top of the soap dispenser because if you think about it, you are touching it before you've soaped. So I like to do that. And then also I like to Clorox the inside of the sink because it feels dirty because like people are spitting toothpaste in, and I like to I I'm not a germaphobe, but bathrooms kind of, gross me out, so Clorox wipes are my best friend. Obviously, we do have white sinks, I guess is what you want to call them, or cabinets, and I want to keep them white. And I use self tanner in this bathroom, and yeah, I just like to give them a wipe down. Also, how cute was that little pooping dog? So, my parents got us a 3D printer for Christmas, and that was like the first thing I printed. I had to print it. It was so cute. There's also one in the guest bathroom slash my son's bathroom, just a different color, and it's a little smaller, but look how cute. I thought it was perfect for a bathroom. And then I also round up our towels and get those started in the washer. And now we're moving on to the toilet. And again, Clorox wipes are my best friend. I only clean toilets with Clorox wipes. I don't know, you guys, I can't do the spray and then the rag, and I know things wash up in the washer, but like does it? I can't do it. So and then also these at our house, I don't know, maybe somebody can tell me why, but our toilets get like moldy, like the water molds, and I don't really notice it like at a certain season. It's just kind of all the time, and I can't get the like bowl sparkling white. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about and have found something that works for you, please help because it drives me nuts. But yeah, I'm just wiping down the entire toilet and then also the base because men, am I right? And onward to the shower. And you guys, I have to make a revision. I have said multiple times that baseboards are my nemesis. I absolutely hate doing that chore. I actually think I hate the shower more. So now let's just get it cleaned. And yes, I also know that it is not recommended to keep your razors in the shower. However, I would never remember to bring it in the shower with me, so they're going to stay there. And we can talk about the elephant in the room. Why do I have so many razors? Well, they kept coming out with pink cute ones, and I decided that I needed them. I know, totally ridiculous, but now I just kind of choose whichever one I want to use when I'm in there. Also, you guys, the pink stuff, that's where it's at. Like, for everything. And it's not just because it's pink, but that definitely helps. I love that stuff. So, well, this is a nice shot. Sorry for this, you guys. So, when it like the pink stuff for the shower that I'm using right now, it just cuts through like soap scum and like it just gets all the shower residue off. So I definitely recommend. And then if you guys saw in a previous video, I used the pink stuff paste to clean my white porcelain sink. I love it. Now, again, it is because it's pink that it helps matters, but it does actually work too. Also, the handheld part of the shower thing fell a little bit ago, so I need to get like some sticky tape, or like not sticky tape, but like the stuff that holds it to the shower walls. I have to get more of that, so that has just been hanging for a little bit. But now I am just rinsing off the shower, getting all the cleaner residue stuff off, and I will go ahead and refill shampoo, body wash, like all those bottles, and then I will put them back. Also, these bottles that say like shampoo, conditioner, body wash, those are from Amazon and I highly recommend. So I will go ahead and link those in the description box for you guys as well. Now I want to hear from you guys. Do you have a cleaning schedule, or do you just kind of clean as you go? There's no right or wrong answer. Just let me know down in the comments below. And then to finish up the bathroom, I like to steam clean with this Shark, what is this called? Like a wet dry vac, so it vacuums and mops and steam cleans. I go back and forth in the bathroom between using this or just a Swiffer, so I don't know. I like them both. It's just kind of if I feel like what I feel like doing that day. The vac mop can be kind of a pain in the butt because you have to plug it in and whatnot, but I like both options. And now I'm just repeating all of the same steps in my son's bathroom slash guest bathroom. I actually prefer to clean his bathroom because it's smaller and there's no shower. But I'm just going to do everything that I did in our bathroom in his bathroom now. So the mirror, the countertops, Cloroxing, like the soap dispenser, the faucet, the sink, all the same things. Also, this is where that's like a mouthwash dispenser with cups next to it, and this is where I would refill it. However, I purchased a different brand and flavor, so I don't want to refill it for him until he's out of the previous one because I don't know how that would taste. And please ignore the multiple holes in the wall with the hole patching stuff. My son kept he's rough on things and he kept ripping the towel holder out of the wall and I kept having to move it, and I finally got it anchored in there really, really well. And then also, yes, that is a sticky note on his toilet that says, it says something like, have you closed the lid or something like that, because about a year ago, we started really focusing on closing the toilet lid before we flushed. And I kid you not, guys, we have not been as sick. I highly recommend. I saw a video and it was like showing what goes airborne when you flush a toilet, and it grossed me out so bad. So now everybody has to shut the lid before they flush because, ew, I highly recommend. Now I'm starting the load of towels. I didn't start it earlier when I grabbed them from my bathroom because I knew I was gonna have to grab like my son's hand towel and things like the countertop rag that I use to clean the countertop. So now I'm just starting the towels. And there we have it. We have clean bathrooms for the week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you would like to, hit that subscribe button to stick around for future uploads, and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. That way it tells YouTube that you liked it. And yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!